Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will going to teach you a very basic steps to turn off your lock screen notifications on iPhone. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to open your settings application or device, and then tap on Touch ID and passcode, and then type out your passcode so that you can enter the next site. And now just scroll down, and then you can see here the allow access when locked. So these are the things that you can see when your phone is locked. So all you need to do here is to tap on this switch beside the notification center. So now that you have turned off your notification when your phone is locked, so there will be no notifications that will be seen if your phone is locked. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's how easy it is. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye.